Boy, a beautiful day around western Washington. We had great sunrises this morning and, well, a beautiful day underway up there in Bellingham. Gorgeous day in Whatcom County, looking out there across the water and all the blue sky up there. And saw a few people go out earlier this morning on their boats. I suspect that traffic will be picking up as we head into the holiday weekend tomorrow. Checking the view there from Everett, looking out across Possession Sound out towards the Olympics. Looking pretty nice out there. You got Mount Constance and the brothers out there over in the Olympics. And checking out the view there from the Columbia Tower Cam, looking the other way towards the Cascades, looking at a little bit of morning haze. That's going to gradually go away and get a little bit of overnight inversion and kind of traps that near the ground and kind of mix it up into more of the atmosphere. It thins out and basically just disappears as we head towards later on this morning. Out there at Westport along the coast, low clouds and fog out there to start off the day. That made its way all the way into the southwestern Washington, but already burning off there, and it should see a little bit of clearing out there along the ocean beaches as we head towards a little bit later on today. Checking that countdown to summer, just 30 days exactly until the summer solstice arrives officially, which is pretty amazing. And of course, 5 days before that, we have our first World Cup match here too, so all sorts of stuff going on as we head into June. That's going to be on Monday the 15th actually, that they're going to have the first World Cup match here in Seattle. Shorter term, looking at our computer model this morning, you can see high pressure is building in. We've got the clearing skies over us. This is a little weak system passing way to the north of us really, and we're going to see just a few high clouds kind of trail through here as we head towards later this morning and this afternoon. Just kind of lightly filtering the sun today, won't really affect anything. That'll move on through and we'll be back to more sunshine. Over the course of the next couple of days, we will see occasionally little bands of high clouds move through here, but basically in a sunny and warm pattern all the way into the weekend, and really, honestly, through the weekend. Taking a look at the forecast then for the next 7 days, you can see mostly sunny today and tomorrow. We'll see a few more high clouds on Saturday, but temperatures will stay mostly in the upper 60s and low to mid 70s all the way through. Sunday, we're going to look for probably a pretty good deck of high clouds filtering the sun and see those temperatures drop off a bit, but then we get that front pushing in as we head towards Monday. And the holiday, it looks like that'll be in with rain along the coastal beaches as we head towards tomorrow morning, and that's going to be spreading into Puget Sound probably around midday to early afternoon. So your trip home, if you're traveling for the holiday, probably going to be with some wet roads out there. That'll turn to off and on showers and sun breaks Tuesday, and then we'll be looking for partly sunny skies on Wednesday with highs in the mid 60s. Take a look out at the mountains. A great time to head up and do some hiking. Hurricane Ridge pretty well melted out at this point, which is true for the south-facing slopes. Not so much for some of the north-facing slopes, but a lot less snow out there in the Olympics than there normally would be for this time of the year. Across the passes, just looking at blue skies and bare pavement out there. And forecast for up in the mountains is the 3,000-foot level. Lots of sunshine, high temperatures getting mostly into the mid 60s, and really pretty much a repeat as we head towards tomorrow with those temperatures right back into the mid 60s once again. Take a look at the 7-day forecast. You see pretty good hiking conditions here on into the weekend, and then as that front moves through on Monday, we're going to see those temperatures drop down into the upper 40s and low 50s with showers continuing up in the mountains all the way through the middle part of the week. So next few days, a great time to get up in the mountains and enjoy some early season hiking. Take a detailed look at the model. So this is today, and you can see that little system that's kind of dragging through. It's going to keep its precipitation north of us, but we'll see the high clouds kind of drift through here. And then over the course of the next couple days, other systems are going to be moving through. They'll give us a few high clouds at times, but that's about all. But as we head on towards late Sunday night, early Monday, we'll start to see this front begin to approach us. Should start off dry on Monday, but that moves right into the coastal beaches. And then as we head towards probably about midday to early afternoon, we should start to see that rain work its way into Puget Sound and start wetting things down, and then pretty wet for later on Memorial Day on through the evening hours. That zips on through. We'll have showers on Tuesday, and then it looks like things will begin to dry out as we head towards the middle part of next week. So should be in pretty good shape overall. Take a look at the temperatures for today. Mostly upper 60s and low 70s north of Seattle, but mid to upper 70s south of Seattle. Those warmer temperatures really once you get down farther to the south and a little ways away from Puget Sound. And as we head towards tomorrow, not much change, maybe a degree or so up or down possible, and similarly up to the north. Checking the Saturday forecast, it cools a little bit. We'll see a few more high clouds beginning to drift in, so partly sunny day on Saturday. Finally, if we take a look at Sunday, continue to see the high clouds thicken up, but still seeing a day with 60s and low 70s, which is not too bad for the month of May. Finally, as we hit Monday and that rain moves, you see those temperatures really drop off, mostly in the upper 50s and low 60s. In some places, only in the mid 50s on Monday. So definitely a cool pattern developing, at least for the start of next week. So again, mostly sunny today, tomorrow. Partly sunny on Saturday, but temperatures staying pretty much mild, upper 60s, low to mid 70s. As we head towards Sunday, a few more clouds out there filtering the sun, highs in the 60s to near 70 degrees. Increasing rain again into Puget Sound midday to early afternoon. It looks like we'll be able to refine that more as we get a little bit closer to it. And temperatures cooling off to the 50s to near 60 degrees. Showers, some breaks on Tuesday, and then partly sunny. Highs rebounding a little bit on Wednesday, getting back into the mid 60s.